you're doing okay. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the speed of which your mouse moves on your Mac. So your mouse or trackpad obviously moves when you move across a trackpad like this. If it goes too fast or it goes too slow, there are ways to change this. So I'm going to show you how you do it now. First thing we're going to do, head over to System Settings, and when you scroll down, you're going to see there's an icon called Trackpad. Within there is most of your trackpad settings, and you can see one of them is called Tracking Speed. Now if I put it to fast here, I'm moving my mouse, my trackpad a little bit, and it moves quite a lot, although you can't probably see because you can't see on my trackpad. If I move it to slow, I'm going to move it a lot more now, and it doesn't want to move. So depending on where you need it, you can adjust this. I'm going to leave it about here because that feels about right for me. And it's as simple as that. Once you've done it, you can just close off here, and then you're back to how you want to use your Mac.